In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay comps to determine the value of trading cards. If you've ever wondered how collectors and sellers figure out the market price for a specific card, this is the method you're looking for. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This will give you access to all the essential functionalities required for carrying out a proper search and analysis. Once you're in, it's time to initiate a search using specific keywords. For instance, you might search for something like 2020 Prism Joe Burrow Rookie number 307 PSA 10. You want to make sure you include the set name, year, player, card number, and any grading info if available. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. After you input your search details, scroll down to the left-hand filter menu. Here, check the boxes for both sold items and completed items. This is crucial as it ensures you're only seeing listings for items that have actually sold, not just what people are asking for currently. The difference here is significant. Sold items reflect what buyers are truly willing to pay. Now you have a refined list of comparable sales, also known as comps. To evaluate these comps accurately, you'll need to consider several factors. Sale date. Use comps from the last 30 to 60 days to ensure you're working with the most current data. Condition. Check whether the card is raw or graded, such as PSA 9 or PSA 10. This greatly impacts value. Type of sale. Note whether the card was sold via auction or buy it now. Auctions can result in lower final prices, while buy it now gives a clear picture of a seller's asking price. Extras. Look for features like autographs, parallels, or serial numbers, e.g. /25 or /99, as these can raise the card's value. Once you've gathered this information, it's time to calculate the average value. Find 3 to 5 recent comps of the same or very similar card and average their prices. For example, if a PSA 10 card sold for $120, buy it now, another for $110 at auction, and a third for $130. Buy it now, you can estimate the card's market value to be around $120. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. Use eBay's Terapeak, free on the eBay Seller Hub, to access up to a year's worth of sales data for deeper insights. Try third-party tools like 130point.com, Card Ladder, or Market Movers to view verified eBay comps more easily. With this process, you'll be well equipped to accurately value your cards using eBay comps.